Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video. It's been a while. I've been busy. I've been at the Hot Wheels convention. This came while I was there. It is the Q case, the international Q case, and what a crazy case code it is. QQQ. This comes over from Jcar Diecast. Thank you, Jcar Diecast, for sending this over. Sorry it took so long, but we are finally at the end of 2025. So we are going to unbox the international case here for you, and then it's on to 2026. But without further ado, let's conclude 2025. All right. Some good cars in this mix, for sure. So I've been definitely excited to crack this open. All right. First three cars out of the case. We have the Blitzspeeder from the Track Champs series. The Audi 90 Quattro in black now. Nice recolor. And Peak Pursuit. And then we got the Ford Mustang GTD, Mustang 60th series. This was, man, it's been a while. I think that was one of the P case ones, right? Has to be. All right, next three out of the case. The Ravager ST, looking good in red with orange striping there. Muscle Mania. The Ferrari 365 GTB4 Competizione Race Day Series, recolored in yellow. So the first recolor of the 365 GTB4 Ferrari. First color was red, now we're getting yellow. Looking good in yellow. And a recolor of the Honda Motocompo in yellow as well. I think this is going to be like the yellow mix. I think there's a lot of yellow cars in this mix. Speaking of which, there is another yellow car, the Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato Safari Mode. The 67 Shelby GT500 in black, Mustang 60th series. And the Kick Kart in the Ride-On series. Cool black and gold red deco there. Next three out of the case. Got the Zinger 21C in white. Saw that in the last case, I believe. As did we see the BMW 635 CSI in orange. Looks like kind of a tribute livery there. And the Salt Shaker. Shake It Like a Salt Shaker X-Racers series. Saw that in the last case as well. Next three out of the case. We have the Pterotractyl. This one's in, well, like a, even though it's a plastic body, right? I think it's a plastic body. It's got like a metal flake kind of gray paint to it. The 2018 Bentley Continental GT3 from Racy Series gets a nice cool recolor in like a metal flake gold. Very nice metal flake gold to counteract the black and gold of the first release. Kind of that play on the John Player Special. And the Mustache Celebrations Racers. What is this celebrating? Oh, November. Or what is it? No Shave November? Very cool to see that represented in the Hot Wheels Celebration Racers series. So, Mustache. Alright, next three out of the case. We get a silver Ferrari SF90 Stradale Factory Fresh series. That was in the P case. Oh, we got one of the two new models in this case. We had the McMurtry Sperling. I hope I'm saying that correctly. Really cool real race car. New for 2025 here. Get the deco on the hood. It's kind of hard to see silver on silver. But it's like one of these like crazy cars if you see when you see it racing. Yes, it's not. It's kind of funny because it looks tuned, right? It's not tuned at all. The cockpit or whatever it was, I want to call it, sits far back on the shortened wheelbase. So just very cool. I think it's an English kind of race car, right? Oh, this is an international case, so you don't really get the details. But the McMurtry Sperling. Probably saying it wrong, but oh well. All right. Ferrari F40 Competizione Exotic Series. This is the recolored Ferrari F40 in yellow now. First color in red, just like the 365 GTB4. Next three out of the case. Got the 89 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG Wild Wide Body Series. Saw that in the P case. As did we see the recolor of the 96 Dodge Viper GTS, now in yellow and black. or yellow with black stripes. And we got another one of those mustaches. All right, next three out of the case here. We have the Hot Wings. The Hot Wings. It's a recolor here. New recolor to the case. Fast Foodie series. It was kind of like a red and green right before. Now it's like a yellow and orange-ish. Cool recolor. The Land Rover Defender 90 gets recolored. It's one of, what, 3 or 4 for the year. I'll have to look at my collection. I actually collect this casting, but I don't remember offhand how many recolors. I know we got at least one color, and we had the beige with the Zamac, Land Rover Defender 90 now, and kind of like I would say a mint green, then and now series. That's a highlight for sure. Oh, hey, we got our other new model. The last new model of 2025, the Polestar TRX. So if you've been collecting Hot Wheels for at least probably a year or so, you may remember, there was a Polestar design competition not too long ago. I'd say probably about 2 years ago, maybe 2023-ish. And this is the final design that won. It's kind of like I love it. It's kind of like with the surfboards and everything. It's kind of like this like jacked up Diora. It's like a new take on the Diora, right? And but it's a Polestar, obviously TRX. I don't know, pretty cool design. Oh, there's some like deco on the, what does that say? 01 and 02. Gotta flip it around. There you go, 01 and 02 on the surfboards. Yeah, that's a cool casting. I think I remember seeing the design. I wasn't a big fan of it, but now seeing it as a Hot Wheel, I kind of like it. It's got some Hot Wheels vibe to it, right? It's definitely a good take on kind of like a mashup of a lifted Diora. Not sure what it has to do with a Polestar, but hey, it's a Polestar TRX. Cool fantasy car. Forgot who designed that or how the design competition worked. I think it was fan submitted. So, all right, got the Blitz Speeder Trek Champ Series. Saw one of those already in this case. We got the Track Dwagon, the Wagon Series or HW Wagon Series. I think on domestic U.S. cards it's HW. On international it's just Wagon, just like the Dirt Series. No more HW, just Dirt. Chevy Blazer 4x4 in metal plate brown. We've seen that one already. What do we got here? We got the new model from the last case, the 83 Porsche 928S. Very cool casting. Got another one of those recolors of the Ferrari SF90 Stradale. So that does, with the other two recolors, that if you have a Q case, that will be 3 recolors of Ferraris in this case. So keep an eye out for the Q case. The McLaren W1. This is a nice recolor. Speaking of recolors, HW Race Day Series. So you get, I think there's like 5 maybe or so new cars in this whole case. And then the rest are essentially recolors. That's pretty typical for a Q case because A case is next, and that is half 2026, and the other half will be from this case. BMW M3 Wagon. This was the Super in the last case. That Michelin take on the old Tic Tac livery, racing livery. The TV series Batmobile in red. We saw that one in the P case. Drift and Brake looking good. I think I've seen a lot of fans of this online lately. The Drift and Brake, and it's cool casting. Obviously, if you don't know, it's like the wagon version of the Fast Fish. The Fast Fish casting went through some retools over the years and kind of lost its touch. So I'm glad they kind of modified it to get rid of that kind of weird chunky wing on the back that was plastic then turned to metal. So, but this recolor looks nice in orange and silver. Last 3 out of the top half of the case. We get the 91 GMC Cyclone Hot Truck Series in red. Cool deco, but we did see that in the last case. We get the Salt Shaker again. Not even going to say it. And the Polestar TRX. So we get another one of those in this case. So 2. We had the Polestar. Oh yeah, the McMurtry. We haven't had another McMurtry yet. So we have at least 2 Polestars in this case though. All right. Oh, let's pull from the top part of the case here. All right. We got the Sushi Tuner Fast Foodie Series. Very close to the original color on this, right? I think this is like a pink top though. Instead of red, it's like more of like a pink. The pink fish sushi. Sashimi. I got another Pterodactyl in the case. Track Champ Series. And another Renault Espace F1. Black and yellow. Next three out of the case we have... we got the Alfa Romeo Giulia TI Super. Have we seen the recolor of this yet? This might be I think this might be new to the case here. Because it was in red originally. Now it's in a cool white with a green front end. Very, very Italian, I guess. Very Alfa. You do get the Momo on the back. 63 in the roundel. Got the Quadfiglio logo on the between the tire and the door there. Cool recolor. Not bad. And a Street Shrieker. Now in like a blue. It first was in purple. So we got a lot of new models in this case for 2025. Just recolored versions of them. But yeah, that's a nice color. This is one of those Hot Wheels Let's Race cars. Yep, and then there's the series. So it's in Hot Wheels Let's Race. And the Roadster is back. That's a very cool deco for the Roadster. Got FC for Fraser Campbell on the sides. Hot Wheels graphics. Just a nice kind of very nice metal flake blue, dark blue on here with a nice vintage racing kind of livery. Compact Kings. Nice design on this one, whoever did the design on that. We got another one of those TV series Batmobiles in metal flake red. The Speed Driver. Black and red. We've seen that one before in the P case. And Decidedly Go gets a recolor from purple now to, I guess you could call it an aqua turquoise body. Very cool. Will we get a super in this case? What does it say? Oh, yes. Oh, cool. Yes. The Magic 8 Ball doesn't lie. So stay tuned for a super. We gotta get one, right? Alright. Next three out of the case, we got the Lamborghini Huracan Starato. The 89 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG. Another one of those. And the Honda CB750 Cafe in light sky blue. Next three out of the case. The BMW 635 CSI in orange. Had one of those already. As did with the 83 Porsche 928S Musclemania. And another one of those 96 Dodge Vipers GTS. Dodge Viper GTS. Not Vipers, Viper. Alright, next three out of the case. El Segundo Rally. Track Champ Series. This is a new, this looks good in the Pontiac Aztec Custom in metal flake silver. That looks good. I like the Trap 5 wheels on this thing. Very cool. And the Ford Mustang GTD. Another one of those. Alright, I got the Speed Driver. Saw that already. The Mod Mill. Another new model for 2025. I saw it earlier in the year in kind of like a dark orange, or like a burnt metal flake orange. Now we get in green. So you get a green, dark green, light green combo here. Same with the graphics. Mod Mill, Muscle Mania series. So some good new models this year. Some good recolors in this case, for sure. HW Ultimate T-Rex Transporter in orange. Not a bad recolor. Alright. Next three, we got the Renault Espace F1. Seen that one before. Oh, here's one of my new favorite new models. The VW T3 Custom. I guess it was a new model for last year, but regardless, it is a really cool. I don't know. I just love this casting. Cool design. It's so funky, and I love that there's like graphics on the front. Like you have the writing on the windshield. You have the headlights that stick out on a nice color break grill there. Got some arrow on the bottom there. Yeah, two-tone all the time. Yeah, this is a nice casting. Still need to find that red edition. 67 Shelby GT500 in black. And we got the Quick Chat in silver. I think we saw that already. Yeah, that was in the last case. Quick Chat silver. The Trek Dwagon. Ooh, and our super chances just took a hit. Come on, Magic 8 Ball, don't let me down. The Ford RS200 in Peak Pursuit Golf Racing livery. Wow, this is nice. Yeah, so this is the would-be Super Treasure Hunt. It obviously is not the Super Treasure Hunt because it does not have Spectral Flame paint or Real Riders. But nice version of the Golf Ford RS200. Next three out of the case. Got the BMW M3 wagon, Michelin Man style. The Mazda RX-3 Peak Pursuit. Saw that in the last case. And we got the 15 Land Rover Defender Double Cab. And with all that French Canadian on there, it's quite... Look how small that font is. HW Dirt Series in yellow. I collected this casting at one point. Not sure if I will continue with it, but I still like it. Alright, we got the Porsche 911 Carrera Clip in blue and white. Another one of those kit carts. And our third TV series Batmobile. Pretty crazy. But hey, always gotta have one Batmobile that has three versions in a case, right? It just seems pretty normal. Oh, we got the 83 Chevy Silverado. This is new to the case. Hot Truck Series in a metal flake, I guess I'm going to call it dark gray. Black and gold kind of striping on the sides. Yeah, that's a nice version of the 83 Chevy Silverado. Highlight for sure. The Zinger 21C. And the last one out of the case is our second new model of the McMurtry Sperling. Very cool. So obviously no regular, no super. That was the QQQ case. The Q case. International. So I went over on international cases this year. I think I went like 3 for 4 on domestic cases for 2025. So, but as always, make sure you check out Jcar Diecast. Make sure Jcar Diecast. Thank you so much for supporting the OTD YouTube channel in 2025, the OTD or OrangeSharkDiecast.com, and all the case reports and all the other things that you do to help out the subscribers and people that view OrangeSharkDiecast.com every day. So order your case at JcarDiecast.com, and keep an eye out on OrangeSharkDiecast.com for more information on the rest of 2025 and 2026. Thank you again for watching.